True North Manufacturing Services Corporation, Teco Industrial Park, Mabalacat, Pampanga. The goals or objectives of my off-campus practice. First, for my personal skills, I want to improve my creativity, critical thinking skills, interpersonal skills, communication skills, organization knowledge, and teamwork skills. For my mechanical engineering skills, I want to improve my mechanical tools and equipment operation skills, project handling, and solving real-life problems in work field. Company's profile. Company's background and description. True North Manufacturing Services Corporation is a duly licensed by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board (PCAB) as an AAA category construction company. True North is a pioneer in the field of systems engineering, offered customized and creative solutions to a wealth of different industries. True North is ISO 14001 and OSAS 18001 certified. It is also a Department of Trade and Industry DTI certified establishment, gold category, for upholding consumer rights and ethical business practices. It was built with the business foresight that manufacturing plants will outsource maintenance and engineering design to service customers. It is fully equipped to handle maintenance services and can provide in-house preventive maintenance systems to clients. Today, it is the pioneer in providing Today, it is the pioneer in providing industrial services to a varied array of customers. It offers comprehensive services in the field of modernization, rehabilitation, maintenance, and repairs. True North offers a wide range of services, which include automation and instrumentation, machine shop, steel fabrication, roll grinding, dynamic balancing, electrical and mechanical construction and maintenance, engineering, and project management. True North will always be a good ally and partner as your engineering solutions provider. For the rules and the regulations of the company or department, you need to be on time 8 a.m. to 5 a.m. from Monday to Saturday. You need to wear proper attire such as shirt, pants, and safety shoes. You need to follow the health and safety guidelines of True North, such as occupational health, safety, housekeeping rules every morning and after working hours. You need to follow the standard operating procedure related to safety, such as lockout and tagout, mechanical safety on handling, moving and sliding machines, mobile equipment procedure, bicycle policy, hot works procedure, electrical safety, confined space entry procedure, ergonomics, and office safety. The nature of work in my assigned department. Duties and responsibilities or work done in the assigned department. On the first 3 weeks, we are assigned in MPS department. During those days, we've spent most of our time in different sites. We've helped other millwrights with their job, but when jobs are too complicated, they are telling us to observe, and we observe properly so that we will be able to know the things that needed to do in that project. We are also taking down important notes. On the other hand, when we are assigned in FMS, we've done different fabrication and machine shop projects. The machinists let us help with their job. They are guiding us in operating the machines. Company's equipment, software operated, and projects handled or involved with. The following are the company's equipments I've operated: roll grinder, twin wire thermal arc spray machine, lathe machine, dynamic balancing machine, universal milling machine, radial drill press, power hacksaw, 24-ton and 64-ton overhead cranes, dial indicators, total station surveying equipment, welding machines such as SMAW and GTAW, and hydraulic hand pump. The following are the projects I've get involved with: batching plant reconditioning of mixer, aligning of S conveyor cycle drive motor in power plant, repair of drag chain conveyor for boiler in power plant, repair of screw conveyor for boiler in power plant, and machine shop fabrication projects. Evaluation of my on-the-job training experience. Knowledge, skills, values learned and applied. For the past weeks of our internship, we've done different activities. We are assigned in two departments of True North, such as the Mechanical Project Services Department and Fabrication and Machine Shop Department. During the days that we are assigned in MPS, I've learned different things about piping. In a project that involves piping, there are things that should be considered in selecting a pipe. Most of the pipes that are being used in the site are carbon steel and stainless steel. I've also learned on how to compute for estimating the material takeoff in a piping project. There are also different types of valves, flanges, and elbows that they are using in the site, depending for its usage. We are also able to encounter different projects. The reconditioning of mixer in batching plant is one of them. In reconditioning of mixer, I've learned that for you to be able to solve the problem, you need to identify first the root cause of it. By identifying the root cause of the problem, we can think of solutions to solve it. I've also learned about the different types of bearings and the ones that they use frequently in site. In batching plant mixer, they are using single thrust ball bearing and double row spherical roller bearing. I've also learned the process of coupling alignment when we align the S conveyor cycle drive motor in APEC. I was able to understand the process on how APEC power plant operates. There are different types of conveyors that is being used in a power plant. We've encountered the two conveyors in the boiler, such as the drag chain conveyor and screw conveyor, when we have a project that both of them are needed to be repaired. Every conveyor is important, and you need to make sure that they are being well maintained to avoid any further problems. When we are assigned in FMS, I've learned different things about fabrication and operation of the different machines in the shop. The most frequent machine that is being used in FMS is lathe machine. I was able to learn the different steps in using it. You need to make sure that you need to make sure you use proper PPE in operating it. Gloves should not be used when operating a rotating machine. It might cause an accident. There are a lot of things that can be done in lathe machine, but most of the time, we are using it in reboring, threading, reshafting, and resurfacing. We are also able to fabricate bearing sleeves, pin, and shafting for roller. I also able to operate a radial drill press and milling machine. I've also learned on how to operate a twin wire thermal arc spray machine in thermal restoration and operated the 24 and 64 ton overhead cranes. I also learned the process of roll grinding and learned the procedure on how to measure a roll, and experienced the process of using a dynamic balancing machine. I've tried to reflect towards the different projects and activities we've done. I've realized the importance of every detail, including the smallest mechanical part, tool, or equipment in a mechanical project. Each of them plays a significant role in project. That's why you need to know them thoroughly. And I also noticed that when the amount of workload is getting heavy, the more you'll be able to learn. These are the new persons we've met during our OJT. For the evaluation of the company, interpersonal and working relationships. True North has a healthy interpersonal and working relationship. They follow the supervisor's order for the better of every project that they will do. They treat everyone as their family. Also, there is a weekly department meeting to talk about the concerns and necessary things that everyone should know. Approachability of supervisors and coworkers. Our supervisors and coworkers are very approachable. It is not hard to communicate with them. They are willing to answer our questions and teach us the things that we want to know. They explain everything that we need to know towards the work that they are doing and share their knowledge and experiences to us. Quality of service delivered. True North ensures the quality of their services that they provide. They make sure every project that they will do shall be done properly. While they ensure the safety of their workers, they also provide a better quality of their manufacturing services. Because in True North, they have a value that says, we do things better. They are making sure that every customer should be satisfied with their quality of work. Time monitoring strategies. There is a project timesheet provided by the company where we write the things that we are doing every day, including the time we in and out and the number of hours that we work that day. This project timesheet will be signed by our supervisor and team leader. There is also time lag at the entrance of the company to monitor the time we get in and out. Personal grooming requirements. Proper attire is one of the requirements of the company. The employees have their own uniform and safety shoes. Everyone that will work in the site or shop should wear proper PPE. Problems encountered during my training and how I solved them. The problem I personally encountered is not being too familiar with the tools and equipment that they have. Because of online class, we are not able to use and operate some of the tools and equipment that we studied in machine shop and workshop. Luckily, we are assigned in tool room for 2 days. I've spent those days to be familiarized and memorize the usage of the tools and equipments that are there. During our OJT, we are able to use and learn on how to properly operate some of the equipment. I ask a lot of questions and techniques upon using them. Recommendations, suggestions, and feedback of the student on the school's student on the job practicum training program. My overall experience with my on-the-job training in the True North Manufacturing Services Corporation is great. I was able to immerse in different branches and fields of mechanical engineering. I've experienced different projects that teaches me a lot of lessons that I can use in the field that I am going to. Our supervisors and co-workers are kind and approachable. Even though we're just OJT students, they are treating us as one of them. They made us feel that we are welcome and we are part of their family. They've taught us a lot of things regarding their work field, work ethics, and other life lessons. I was able to appreciate every job of every individual in our field. Everyone plays an important role in the company. This OJT helps us to be familiarized with the field of mechanical engineering and adapt to the real world of our industry.